Hello, in this video I'm with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and I'm gonna show you how camera Pro Mode works on this smartphone. To open the Pro Mode, you have to go to the left side, select Pro, and at the first I will recommend you to click right here. As you can see, in this place you can find every parameter and the description. So it's good to know how to adjust the parameters. For example, you can read about the focus peaking or the exposure verification. Right now I'm gonna show you how to adjust the parameters. Let's start from the bottom. Right here we can find white balance with 1, 2, 3, 4 default presets and also this manual slider. Here we can find focus range. Next we can find shutter. As you can see, we can set it for the 30 seconds. Next, that's the ISO level. Here we can find the exposure compensation. And in this place we can switch between two lenses, ultra wide and a wide lens. When you go for the upper bar, we can turn on the flashlight by tapping right here. We can switch matrix metering by using this option. We can also enable high resolution mode, add some filters, when you click on the three lines in the right upper corner, we can enable, for example, the focus peaking or exposure verification. Let me show you how the exposure verification works. It will be useful when you try to adjust, for example, the shutter speed, ISO level, and also the exposure verification. And the focus peaking will be useful when you adjust your lenses and also the focus range. So that's all for the camera Pro Mode on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. Hope you like it.